Ashok Soota launches Happiest Health, a global health and wellness knowledge enterprise to address the health and well-being knowledge needs of global audiences with access to research-driven medical content, driving the importance of kinder, gentler therapies content created with the help of wellness and medical experts, scientific journals, and in collaboration with global research institutes. Bengaluru, the 14th of July 2022. Serial entrepreneur and executive chairman of Happiest Minds, Ashok Soota today announced the launch of his latest entrepreneurial venture, Happiest Health, a global health and wellness knowledge enterprise that aims to provide in-depth, credible, and trustworthy knowledge related to health and wellness. Happiest Health formally launched its website Happiest Health, accessible all across the globe. This is Ashok Soota's second commitment to the health and wellness space, having launched SKAN last year, a not-for-profit medical research trust that focuses on aging and neurological disorders.
Firstly, I'd like to thank each one of you for taking time out to be here to be a part of our special day. Over the past few months, the Happiest Health team has worked around the clock to bring together this platform. And yet, this is just the beginning. We have many milestones yet to cross, many benchmarks yet to set. Happiest Health. Two simple words that we use all the time. Two words that feature in any positive conversation. Be it what we feel or what we eat, from how we sleep to our relationships. These words make us think of where we are and tell us of where we should be. As a child, whenever I paid obeisance to my grandparents, prompt came their reply, "Khush raho, swasth raho," highlighting the age-old importance of health and happiness.
Values. The mission and values live with us forever. The vision changes every 5 years, or as in the case of Happiest Minds, this time we've articulated a 10-year vision. I didn't tell you about our values at Happiest Health, and I thought it's worth sharing these with you also. They're going to be, again, our guiding light to all of us. They will in turn determine our behavior. We firmly believe that behavior leads to a great culture and great results. So first, I would also say that these lend themselves to an acronym called HAILS. The first H is for Health and Wellness Evangelists. A is for Achieving, Integrity is for I, L Learning, S Sharing, and another S for Social Responsibility, where I already told you about our goals of becoming carbon neutral from this year itself. But there will be many other things we will do as we go along on social responsibility. So this again I thought would share with you, because these three then constitute the basic fabric around which we will build another great organization.
So firstly, we are delighted today to launch Happiest Health. This is a knowledge enterprise, and our mission is better knowledge, better health. And we will be using various means to be able to improve the availability of knowledge to people around the world in an age group going all the way from 18 to 80 plus. Idea is to help people, firstly to get knowledge on wellness, develop better lifestyle practices, and through that which you can control. You can also control happiness. The end product is good health. And therefore, how do you reach good health? Another aspect is, illness can strike anybody. Sometimes it's very important to get an early diagnosis. That can be the difference between life and death. We are not a diagnostic company, but we provide knowledge on the different types of problems, the different types of tests that should be done, how you can then take those issues and visit your doctor and get the results discussed with the doctor and take the right decisions. So all of this will make a difference in the lifestyles, in the approach to wellness and happiness and good health of the people concerned.
Actually, I think it is a need of the hour, because happy health leads to happy mind.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So, congratulations, sir.
Thank you. You can ask a question if you want.
Sir, how can time takes it reach public?
Will I take the company public? So we've stated our vision, and we've said, so just to summarize for you, we have our mission, we have a 5-year vision, and we have our values. That's been my framework for every organization I started. And in our 5-year vision, we have stated multiple things. First thing we have stated is we'll run the company with the highest standards of corporate governance. That's very important to build. Before you think of going public, people better see you as an organization which is run with very good standards of corporate governance. So that's just one of the elements, higher standards of integrity. We'll create an organization which is a great place to work. Then when we've done all of that basics and put it well in place, we will use these first 5 years to prepare for an IPO, which means by definition our goal will be to do the IPO say by year 6 or maybe year 7.